Hey, how you doing? I'm doing just fine. I lied. I'm dying. So, I want to say thank you to my 200 subscribers. I did a hand video that got really popular, and now I'm up to 200 subscribers. I thought 100 was a big deal. Let's be real. Hands are evil. They come from the pits of hell, and they drag us down with them. Very frustrating. Probably the most frustrating part of art for me. That's why I spent lots and lots of time coming up with some really easy, super cheating ways to cheat. That was a great sentence. Thank you for that. I don't know what I would do without it. I'm excited to share this with you. You're gonna eat glass after you watch this video. Oh my gosh, what kind of paper is that? What kind of sketchbook is that? I need your pencil. Shut up, Karen. Nobody cares about good art supplies. Nobody cares about pencils. We're gonna use this printer paper, okay? Put the stupid sketchbook to the side. As for your pencil, you wanna make sure that you have this really nice Prismacolor turquoise pencil, and then you just snap it in half and toss it to the side because we are not gonna use that. Instead, we're gonna use this happy birthday pencil from the dollar store. Ow, yikes. You have to get materials that are made in China and break every time you sharpen them, which is why we sharpen it directly onto the paper. There, skid marks. Now that you have your paper primed and ready to go, it's time to start the drawing. So I'm going to do something interesting with this one. I'm going to start with the individual steps of how to draw this, and then I'll go back and show you how to apply each one of those things to a character. So it's not just a little floaty hand that you're drawing. You'll see how to do it on an actual little boop guy. First one we're going to do is this. Start with a rectangle, and then off to the side, do another little rectangle-y thing here. And then you're going to fan those, boop, 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 boop. Got it? Good. Cool. Oh, that didn't turn out good. Okay, and then on this one, you're going to start about right here. Make a little doot, 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 doot. No, that's not a good sound. Make a little right there. Boom! Now guess what? You just drew yourself a hand. But wait, it doesn't look like a hand. It just looks like scribbles. Well, shut your freaking face and I'll show you. Watch. We'll do this again, and then I'll go over it with, nice lines. Okay, so you got your thingy. I'll erase it so that it's super transparent, and then I'll go over it with nice lines. Cool, Gucci lit, fam. Actually, you know what? I kind of don't like this guy, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it come at an angle right there. I'll make a little bump for the wrist. What is this, the radius or the ulna? I have no idea. Cool, that's how you draw a hand at resting position. I don't like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this knuckly thing, the pinky knuckle, up here. Whatever, good enough. Let's move on to the next pose. It's the open hand, so it's going to be a hand at rest. But the interesting thing about your hands is instead of drawing them like this, I'm saying like everybody tries to draw hands like this, but it's more natural to draw it like this. Like if this takes muscle, and then if you just relax your hands, it just looks like that, right? So we're going to draw that. But it's hard, because then you got to draw like your fingers coming at you and stuff, and then foreshortening and all that. Don't even worry about that. Start with a little rectangle-y, square-y thing, like that. That's not good. Don't do that. There, that's better. That sucks. Done. Okay, now what you're going to do is make a little line right here. Just a curvy diagonal. And then you're going to, you know how we did this thing? The little doot-doot-doot. We're going to do that same thing. And it's going to come up to like, I don't know, here. Ah, I messed up on that. Don't do that. Whoa. I did that curve opposite. My bad. Sorry, Karen. Okay, cool. Now that we have that, divide that line in half, and then check this out. We're going to divide this in half and this in half. Look, it's already looking like a hand, but how do we get it from that to looking like something like this? Well, that's why you're watching this video, aren't you? I'll show you. Stop wasting time and just show me. I will. Okay, I don't like that. I already messed up. Okay, now we're gonna do like little bumpies. Right, like that. We're gonna do little tookies right here. And then we're gonna do a thin line and a thin line for the, what's this thing called? I don't know, these little wrinkles on your hand. Yeah, oops, that was too squiggly. Okay, and then you can draw the wrist. That's kind of a fat hand. What you can do if you don't want it to look fat is make this little rectangle-y thinner. So I'll do that. That's not thinner. Oh, I keep doing it opposite. Here we go. This one's going to be a good one. And then a little tiny little triangle-y thing. And then we can just erase the guidelines and boom, bada bing, bada boom. Ladies and gentlemen, look at yourself. You got a great hand. You have beautiful hands. You just don't even know it. And we'll do a little lines for the veins on the wrist. Cool. That's the hand at rest. Actually, it'd make more sense if it was like that, huh? Whatever. This one is going to be a little peace sign. You know what I'm talking about? We're going to start with this, I don't know, like a little boxy thing. Okay, and then, very important that you mark the halfway point right here. And we'll draw two lines coming up. Those are going to be the little first and second finger. Whoa. What's wrong with my fingers? Anyway, the distance, the length of these fingers is going to be about the same as the palm. So we're going to take this. We're going to make sure that it's just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit thinner at the tip of the finger than the base of the finger. Okay. Now that you got that, we'll do this again. Hold on. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a little boxy thing right here. Just hold on. I promise it'll make sense. Those are going to be the other fingers. Now we're going to divide it in half. That makes sense? Hold on. I know it doesn't quite look like a hand, but once we put the thumb in, it will make sense. Okay, you ready for this? Right up here, we're going to do a little angle coming across here to meet, I don't know, this area. And then it's going to come down. And then you're going to do something interesting. Those three lines. It's basically like that. Like pi. Okay, once you have all that, then your next move is to, let's see. Then your next move is to smooth out these lines. And this is where your drawing really comes to life. And with these, you can actually do something interesting here. Ready? We're going to add an angle. So we're going to draw a line right here. And then a line coming down here. Hold on. Too many lines. Hold on. Here. See what I mean? Now it looks like it's a knuckle. That's cool. Basically, all we're drawing is like sides of a Rubik's Cube. You know what I'm talking about? Like, so we're basically drawing this part right here. That's the fingers. My mom just texted me. She said, there's a cut up apple in the fridge by the milk. Thank you for letting me know. Appreciate it. If you watch my video, Mom, then thank you. You're a great mom. I would never know where that apple was without you. And then the wrist, of course, is going to be a little skinnier. Actually, you know what? The wrist is skinnier than the hand, but if you notice, the wrist is more attached to the pinky side than the thumb side. So if this was a square, this goes all the way through. This doesn't. There's a gap there. Never mind, that looks terrible. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't listen to me, please. Just wing it. Cool, great. Now we're gonna put these on characters. You ready? All right, great. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. There's 3 hands. I got an idea. And you thought we only drew cursed images on this channel. Bold and Brash chooses scissors. Oh, I should have done a fist. If I did a fist here, then it would have been rock, paper, scissors. The ultimate killing machine. As you know, I am the most notorious Instagram influencer known for my beauty and fashion lines. But I'm mostly known for being a sexy puppet for corporations who want targeted marketing. That's why I'm proud to introduce you to
LA Smile Super Ultimate Dance Party.
This was me before. Ew, ugly, gross yellow teeth. This is me now, showing off my natural looking healthy white smile. Pop that bad boy in your mouth and activate dance party mode. But you only get 10 minutes, so work it, baby. Your smile is now beautiful because it always was, since the dawn of time. Based on what it did to my teeth, if you try it, I would expect 1 to 3 shades brighter in the 6 days. If you're interested, the link is in the description. And if you want to bring it down to $55... Hi, this is Andrew editing the video. Did I say $55? Well, I talked to him again. Now it's $51. 15% discount now. You can use my super secret cheat code that nobody would ever guess, which is Butt Panda. All caps, because Butt Pandas are important. If you use Butt Panda as the code, I get 10% of the sales, which goes back to Xabio Arts. Personally, I don't really care about teeth whitening that much, but I thought it was cool that there is a natural, at-home teeth whitener that's cheaper than the others. That's not bad for your teeth. I didn't think that that was a thing, but I guess that means we're living in the sci-fi version of some other dimension. My brother, who is a sales guy, would probably kill me if he saw me presenting it this way. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Time to end the video. Bye. Hope my brother's not watching. He doesn't watch my videos. Bye.